So today we're prepping the Legacy for tomorrow's dyno tune session. Started off by removing that floppy mirror so that I can drive around and that thing's just not all flying all over the place. Took the door card off just so I can get that mirror out, and I might as well leave it off till my new door shows up. What else? Got the Grimspeed electronic boost control solenoid all plumbed back in, hooked up the way it should be. If those of you that want a reference, I'll give it to you. 3 is your boost source, so the compressor housing on a VF series turbo. So your boost reference. This here is your wastegate, and then that last one back there is looped back in to the intake. The man, kind of hard to see here. Loop back in into this guy and into the turbo inlet. So I got an existing line here, and I got that vacuum line shoved in there. It's nice and tight, it's not going anywhere. I also decided to relocate the fuel pressure regulators, vacuum and pressure source. So rather than being on this one cylinder here, which is capped off and zip tied, I'm running a reference line all the way back here to the back of the throttle body, or as others call it, the plenum. I just decided to run a T here and zip tie all of these other fittings, so it should be good. Should help with I guess consistency of the fuel pressure regulator. Rather than jumping up and down with that one cylinder, it should be evenly across all 4 of them. If you're wondering what I use for caps, this is it. Sell them on eBay. These are for, I guess, masking and maybe like for powder coating and stuff, where you need to mask stuff off and you're baking it in an oven. They're made of silicone. They work really good. I got them on the Honda for a bunch of deleted stuff. And here we are. Got almost 1,300 miles on the clock, so she's more than broken in. Still working with insurance, but I got a new door and mirror on the way while they figure out what they're gonna pay me for all this.